You can do this practice on a yoga mat or right from the comfort of your own bed. Works really well as a morning practice or later towards the evening to kind of wind down after a long day. We'll get started having a seat, so either on your mat or in bed, bringing the soles of both feet together and having your knees bent and butterflying out towards the side. Just start with some easeful neck rolls, starting to warm up the neck. If it feels good for you, you can bounce your knees as you're rolling your neck left and right, side to side. And I'm just going to turn to my side so that you can see me. Your hands will go on the mat, back behind your hips, keeping them about a foot or so away from your body, your fingers pointing away from you towards the short edge of your mat. Feet and legs stay in the same position as you round your upper back, bringing your chin in towards your chest. Then lift your head, lift your chin towards the sky. Press your chest forward, straightening out your back. So moving back and forth from rounding, making a C curve in your spine, to straightening your back, shining your chest and heart forward. Head lifts, throat chakra opens. And go ahead and cross at your shins, bringing your right shin in front and grab onto your right foot with both hands. And start to bend and straighten your right knee to lift that foot towards the ceiling, towards the sky. As you straighten your leg and lift your foot towards the sky, you'll round your upper back, bringing your chin into your chest so you really feel your shoulder blades expand in this shape. We'll take a few rounds like that. And bring the soles of your feet back together, hands back behind you for support. And again, take that motion of rounding and curling your spine. And you'll cross at your legs in the opposite direction, so bringing left shin in front. Grab onto your left foot with both hands and start to bend and straighten your left knee. Lifting the foot towards the sky, rounding your upper back. Rest your left foot down, both feet firmly planted on the mat as you slowly lower down to your back. Crossing your left ankle over your right knee. This time just grabbing onto the left foot with your left hand and doing that same motion of bending and straightening the left knee joint. Release the grip on your left foot and you'll open the left knee out to the side and take that knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, so really feeling the rotation in the hip. And one more time, crossing left foot over your right knee. This time, left hand goes back behind your head. Grab onto the left foot with your right hand. We're going to crunch up towards the leg as you straighten the leg. Forehead goes up towards your shin. Tighten your abs. Make sure core is nice and strong here. And exhale, bringing your head back down to the mat and foot back down to the mat. We'll pause here for a breath in between sides. Let's pause, just noticing how your hips feel, knees, shoulders, back. Lifting your right knee up towards the sky, towards the ceiling. Take that knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, circling out that right hip joint. crossing your right ankle over your left knee, your figure 4 shape. Grab onto the right foot with your right hand and start to bend and straighten the right knee. Noticing what that feels like in your shoulder, your hamstring, your knee joint. Grab onto the right foot with your left hand, right elbow bends to place the right hand back behind your head. And start to lift up for your crunches. Tighten your core, engage your abs, and bring your forehead closer to your shin, to your knee. Not straining through the neck, lifting through the core. Gently resting your head down, bring your foot back onto the surface beneath you. And bring the soles of both feet together. Coming into a reclined butterfly shape. You can rest one palm on your belly, one palm on your chest. Just using the weight of your palms on your body to draw your attention more inward. Embodying self-love with every breath. Inhale and exhale. And when you're ready, you can bring your palms on the outside of your knees to draw your knees back closer together. Perhaps hugging your knees in towards your chest before you roll yourself back up to a seat. Thank you for joining me in practice today. Namaste.